It's okay to not know what you don't know, but when you're ready to build generational wealth for your family, we gotta start learning the basics that's going to set us up for success. And one question I get asked a lot is how to build personal credit fast with no history. And because you've clicked on this video, I'm going to assist you today as well with this question so you can be on your way to having a perfect credit score and perfect credit history. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Tiara and this is Road to Financial Peace. And in today's video, I'm going to be answering one of the top questions I get a lot, and that's how to build personal credit fast with no history. If you're just starting out and have no credit history, I want you to know, even though it seems bad, it's not as bad as it seems. Starting with a clean slate is a much easier process than someone needing to repair their credit to have a clean slate. Even if that's you, no worries. These tips in this video can help you as well. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how to build your personal credit quickly and efficiently. And I hope you share this information with your children, family, and friends so we can all be plugged into financial peace. The first step to build your personal credit fast with no history is to get a secured credit card. A secured credit card is a type of credit card that requires a security deposit. This deposit acts as collateral and helps to reduce the risk for the lender approving you for the card. By using a secured credit card and making timely payments, you can start building your personal credit in no time. Secured credit cards play 30% of your credit score because lenders want to know how well you do with the money that is given to you. In this case, how well you're going to do with your own money, since this is a secured credit card. With a secured credit card, the utilization matters, and this is what's going to help you or is going to hurt you. When it comes to the utilization, remember to keep your utilization under 30% for each credit card that you have. Although you're supposed to keep the utilization under 30%, it's very important that you know the lower the ratio, the better. So because we're discussing a secured credit card, since you don't have credit history yet, it's important to use around 10% or less. An example of this would be if you have a secured credit card with a limit of $200, you want to only use $20 a month to stay at the 10% utilization ratio. If you're ready to start building your personal credit fast so you can have the history you need, down in the description of this video, I have linked 2 companies you can begin this process with, and both companies will require you to start off with a minimum of $200. Now, you don't need both companies to start, but I highly recommend, if you can get both, to go ahead and get both. The more accounts reporting on your personal credit reports, the faster you can get your scores and your history in great standing. Lenders like to see that you have more credit available to you and that you're keeping those ratios lower than the amount you have available. The second step to build your personal credit fast with no history is to make timely payments on time. This means paying your bills on time every time. When it comes to paying your bills on time, because you have no credit history currently, this will start with you paying your secured credit cards on time. Another method to help you with building personal credit fast is to apply for trade accounts to help you begin having accounts that report to your credit reports. Now, I know what you're thinking, where do I find trade lines? Don't worry, you know I got you. Down in the description, I have also linked resources that you can go ahead and apply with today at a very affordable price. Just be sure to write down your due dates for each of these accounts we're discussing in this video today so that you can make those payments on time for each account. On-time payments will play 35% of your credit score, so it's very crucial that you make your payments on time with every account that you begin to apply for, even now and in the future. The third step to build personal credit fast with no history is to become an authorized user on someone else's credit card. This means that you will have access to their credit limit without having to apply for credit on your own. When you become an authorized user on someone else's credit card, you're essentially piggybacking on their credit history. This means that the credit card company will report the account activity to the credit bureaus under the primary cardholder's name and under your name. As long as the primary cardholder has a good credit history and makes timely payments, this can help improve your credit score. However, it's very important to note that not all credit card companies report authorized user activity to the credit bureaus. So before becoming an authorized user, it's a good idea to check with the credit card company to make sure that they report authorized activity. It's also important to keep in mind that becoming an authorized user does come with some risks, just like anything else. If the primary card holder doesn't make timely payments or carried a high balance, this can have a negative impact on your credit score as well. Additionally, if you use the credit card irresponsibly, this can also have a negative impact on your credit score. But overall, becoming an authorized user can be a great way to build your credit score and your credit history, especially if you're authorized on an account that has a high credit limit and a strong length of history and a good utilization ratio. If not, it's not worth it, and it would be best to build your credit history from ground up using the first step mentioned in this video. This is going to bring us to the end of this video, a recap of how to build personal credit fast with no history is to first get a secured credit card, which I have 2 listed below in the description. So at the end of this video, go ahead and check these out. The second step is to make your monthly payments on time on those secured credit cards, as well as check out the trade lines I have listed in the description to help you get a quicker boost on payment history. And the final step is to become an authorized user on an account that has a high credit limit and a lengthy credit history. As always, I hope this video was helpful for you guys. I am Tiara, and this is Road to Financial Peace, teaching you what wasn't taught through financial literacy. If you have any questions about building your personal credit, be sure to leave them down below. I'll begin answering questions in upcoming videos, and your question just may be next. Alrighty guys, I'll see you back here on my next video. Bye.